Well, I'm here just south of Carlisle, just past the new bypass, which is not quite built yet. And I've been looking at this certain tree I'm going to photograph for now 20 years. But recently they've trimmed the hedges down so I can actually go and photograph the tree without trespassing on the land. So it's on the rise of a hill. So it's a nice clean background, hopefully, if I can get low enough, and well, that's about it, that's all I can say. So we'll just grab the rucksack and see what happens. Come with me. Well, I better walk up this side of the road, facing the traffic. Damn it, this tripod's too high. Used to be I had a problem with low tripods. Now this one's too high. Right, there we are. That's better. Yeah, so I've better go up this side and avoid the cyclists, and they can switch over the other side where there's a bit of a more of a better grass verge. Oh, cyclist, let's get in, give him some space. He just doesn't care, he goes, whoa, damn it. Oh, I forgot how dodgy this is. There's a rise of a hill and a blind bend, and they tend to race down here, so I better switch over the other side quickly. Make sure there's nothing coming. Anyhow, this camera should record the accident if there is one. Oh, it's going to be a nice, clean, he said, maybe not, tree in the way. I'll have to come in a bit earlier. I think someone's been over here before. Or maybe it was rabbits. Ah, damn it. Ah. This is going to be tricky. Yeah. Yeah, I have to get over here and somehow get onto the hedge line. What was that warning? I'm going to do this. What's that? False ditch. Ow, ow, hawthorn. Ow, ow. Can I get over here? Oh, bollocks. Ah, no. Well, I'll have to sneak into the actual field itself. I'm going to hide behind this tree so I'm not obvious from oncoming traffic what I'm doing, and get this done quickly. Luckily there's a nice curve on the other side which should distract the drivers from my presence. And if I keep low, well, this is not for the Well, if I keep low, this is for the composition. Right, make sure the image stabilisation is off. It's all set. I forgot my glasses. God. The sunlight is just on the top of the tree now, and a little patch on the trunk. So, and the clouds are beginning to turn in colour. I think what it is, it's masked by other trees on the other side of the road. That's why I'm not getting what I thought I was going to get. That may change. Oh well, it probably is. Yeah, it's probably changing a bit. So, do one more shot. Well, you can see the tree up there, and I think we've lost the lights for now. It looks like there's a cloud on the horizon, so we'll see if it can poke out through that. If not, we'll just wait and see if there's any colour in these clouds above. For that, I'll have to move out into the field a bit more and shoot a wider shot, because zoomed in on the tree, you only get the small portion of cloud. You don't get the full majesty of it all. So, yeah, let's wait and see what happens. I don't really know what to do. I think there's some pinkish light lighting up the tree. Or it might be because I was staying away from it for a while and my eyes just picked it up now. See, it's quite good. The light's quite good over to the west there. So it's a good sunset. But and there's some. May I just see on the horizon there? There's where's it gone? Can you even see them? There's some windmills, and they've gone a little shade of pink. So it's a beautiful over to the west. But I don't know. No, I think the tree is shaded by the wood across the road, and it's near sunset completion, so I think yeah, the colour's gone off these grey clouds, so I think I'll have to just pack up. Well, I'll walk down the field and then it's hard filming you and carrying this stuff, you know. Right, yeah, I'll just walk down this field just because I don't want to climb that fence again. And there's a gate at the bottom, so that should be okay. Oh, it's beautiful over there. See, on the horizon, it's beautiful. Nice and pink. Nothing's happened here. I think this is probably a shot when the sunset is further north. I didn't really consider that the wood across the road was an issue, but obviously it is. Now, please like and subscribe. Don't know what to do now. See, times like this, I want a tree that's silhouetted on the western horizon, not looking south east. Yeah, I think that's probably it, I think. See, I'm always second guessing myself whether the light's gone completely. Sometimes all it takes is a chink of light when the sun sets between two valleys or some trees, and then you get a little flurry of colour. Oh. Oh. Get down there. I'm knackered. It's over. Oh. Ooh, bloody hell. Need to whack my camera over there. Is it? Ow! That's a great anti-climb device. Not having a stable gait. Right, back to the car. Crossing the road. Camera conspiracies. I should do it in slow motion though. Right. Well, I feel better now because the light's gone. So I can just put this stuff away. Oh. See, This is the sort of vlog I like. Quarter-hour drive. Shoot it. Back in time for tea. No tedious, well, it's not tedious driving around here, it's quite nice. Well, this was a last minute vlog because oh, I better take this camera off. Oh damn, this thing keeps on falling apart. Right, because I thought the sun wasn't going to come out because it was quite gloomy for a while there before I set off, but it turned out quite nice. Anyhow, thanks for watching, good night. I'll stop rambling now, like and subscribe, blah de blah de blah.